Today very prime news highlights from SNH from various localities. News highlight 1 from SNH. Nation celebrates 77th Republic Day today. India's military prowess and rich cultural heritage to be showcased in the parade at Kartavya Path in the national capital. News highlight 2 from SNH. Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan and Prime Minister Narendra Modi greet people on occasion. News highlight 3 from SNH. European Council President Antonio Costa and European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen to be chief guests at Republic Day celebrations. News highlight 4 from SNH. President Draupadi Murmu says, Atma Nirbharata and Swadeshi are guiding principles in shaping country's economic destiny. News highlight 5 from SNH. 131 distinguished personalities selected for this year's Padma Awards. Actors Dharmendra and Mammootty, former Supreme Court Judge K.T. Thomas, singer Alka Yagnik and cricketer Rohit Sharma prominent among them. News highlight 6 from SNH. Gallantry Awards for 70 Armed Forces personnel announced. IAF Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla honored with Ashoka Chakra. News highlight 7 from SNH. In cricket, India register crushing 8-wicket victory over New Zealand in third T20 to take an unassailable 3-0 lead in the 5-match series. News highlight 8 from SNH. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls on industry and startups to emphasize on quality. Sharing his thoughts in Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani, Mr. Modi says India's economy is progressing rapidly and the world is watching India. News highlight 9 from SNH. Prime Minister urges youth to register themselves as voters upon turning 18. News highlight 10 from SNH. President Draupadi Murmu presides over National Voters' Day function. Says voting is not just a political expression but a reflection of citizens' faith in the democratic process. News highlight 11 from SNH. President Draupadi Murmu to address the nation this evening on the eve of 77th Republic Day. News highlight 12 from SNH. 982 personnel of police, fire, home guard and civil defense and correctional services awarded gallantry and service medals on the occasion of Republic Day. News highlight 13 from SNH. In United States, airlines cancel more than a third of scheduled flights as winter storm intensifies. News highlight 14 from SNH. In cricket, the third 2020 between India and New Zealand to be played in Guwahati this evening. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to your family members, friends, colleagues?